guys, welcome to another vlog. So today I'm gonna do unboxing of my baby's high chair, and this is the brand. We're having it like Evenflo. So I'm gonna do the unboxing and so we can use it later. This is the inside, and then this one and this one, and this is the table. So where's the instruction? And this is the instruction. This you. This you. Do you wanna assemble Sebe? You gonna use this later? Aray ko. It's gonna. Yun. Sakit. Sakit sa kamay ah. Last one, Sebe. Okay. And table is on. So, table C and install the 4 legs, okay? I'm just following the instruction. And then, put on top. Ay, ganun. Ganito siya. Ay, ganun lang. Please to unlock. So, while I'm doing, look at the other guy here. Sebe? He's also busy. Sebe, what are you doing? I'm here. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Why? Mommy's busy assembling your high chair. And are you busy also? Aww. He's busy playing with the box. It's kinda easy. You just need to follow and read the instruction. So far, looks okay. And we're gonna try this later. So I assemble it now. This is the finished product, and also the owner is there. He is sitting on his throne. Finally, he has his own chair. His own feeding chair. See, I was just struggling in the beginning to follow the instruction. How was your high chair? Do you like it? We will try it. We'll try it later. Do you like your high chair, Mr. Sebe? Do you like it? Look at his feet. I see your feet. You're still kicking. Ah. So, ito na guys yung aming high chair. He's eating his pops. Look at his face. So serious. Serious. So it's dinner time. I'm having ano to? Opo na may giniling. Yun po. See? Busy na siya. He's busy. Yay! Are you happy, Sebe? Wala na. Sebe, are you happy? So, nagugutom na ako, kaya kain muna ako, guys. Ito yung ulam ko. Overall, the high chair and Evenflo high chair that we bought, I think it's okay. He likes it. So this is Sebe now. Overall, I think she like it. And the height, decent for high chair. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification so you get notified whenever we have a new video. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.